Food is scarce. We must make this last. Our communal challenge begins now. Every root, every leaf, it all counts now. We must find enough to sustain us.
Every ripe fruit is a treasure. We gather with care, ensuring nothing is wasted. The bounty is returned, a basket full. Now, the communal preparation begins in earnest. Cleanliness is key, even when times are tough. Our meal must be pure and safe.
The rhythmic thwack-thwack of the knife fills the air as tears well up. Patience is key. Good work. Precision matters for flavor. The pungent aroma fills the air with promise. The heart of our village curry. This paste will infuse rich flavors into our meal.
Only the best leaves, little one. Learning is crucial for our survival and future.
The chulla is prepared, wood arranged with precision. Soon, the warmth of fire will ignite.
The fire awakens, warmth returns. A small spark ignites hope for the meal ahead.
The kadai is set, oil poured. The culinary journey begins, watched by all. The oil shimmers, perfectly heated. The moment for tempering approaches, ready for the spices. Cumin seeds sizzle, releasing aromatic steam. The symphony of flavors begins with this crucial step.
The true soul of our curry begins. Mustard seeds and curry leaves join the aromatic dance.
Onions hit the hot oil with a sizzle, continuously stirred. The base of our curry forms.
Onions turn golden brown, a base perfected. The young ones watch and learn patiently.
Ginger garlic paste joins the onions, releasing rich aroma. The flavors deepen significantly.
Chopped tomatoes sizzle, releasing vibrant juices. The masala base transforms beautifully, enriching flavors. Oil separates, masala perfected. A patient chef knows the signs, tending the fire with care.
Spice is life, flavor for all. The rich powders transform the base, an appetizing sight.
The masala is perfectly cooked, oil glistening. A rich aroma promises a delicious meal ahead.
Fresh vegetables jolt the rich masala, gently sautéed. Flavors infuse, a wise leader observes.
Vegetable sauté, coated in rich masala. A rhythmic stirring, harmonizing flavors and textures.
Water brings life, even to our curry. A satisfying sizzle, flavors harmonizing beautifully. The curry comes to a gentle boil, steam rising. Anticipation builds for the flavors ahead. Flame is steady, chef. Flavors seal within, simmering gently. Patience yields richness. The flame is precisely controlled, ensuring slow cooking. Vigilance is key to perfect heat.
Curry gravy perfected, tender potatoes. A satisfied hum of culinary success fills the air.
A splash of water, a gentle stir. Perfect balance achieved, a testament to expert judgment. A pinch of salt, the final touch. Perfect seasoning balances the rich flavors of the curry.
Perfect. A true survival feast. The leader's approval brings collective joy and relief.
Curry in its final simmer, flavors melding. A delicious anticipation for the communal feast.
Vibrant coriander, meticulously chopped. The final aromatic garnish, a fresh touch of perfection.
A touch of green for freshness. Coriander adds vibrant color and aroma, completing the dish. Ghee melts, spices sizzle vigorously. This second tempering adds deep layers of traditional flavor.
Heavy, but worthed. The finished curry is settled, its aroma promising a grand feast.
Rice meticulously washed, then cooked. Coordinated activity ensures every part of the meal is perfect. Roti flips, revealing golden brown perfection. A rhythmic cooking, handled with expert ease.
Dough expertly rolled into a thin circle. Delicate craftsmanship and traditional skill for perfect rotis. Tawa is hot, chef. Firekeeper ensures perfect heat, crucial for delicious warm rotis. Roti meets hot tawa with a sizzle. Bubbles form, a quiet approval for the magic of bread.
Roti puffs beautifully, a triumphant moment. The soft hiss of steam promises warmth and delight.
Roti over flame, light and airy. A brief, triumphant gesture for perfect, warm bread.
Ghee applied, roti kept warm. A thoughtful finishing touch for a comforting, flavorful meal.
Warm roti stacked carefully, ensuring softness. Organized efficiency for the heartwarming meal ahead.
Our survival feast, a testament to unity. The grand reveal, a moment of communal celebration. Generous portions served, anticipation fills the air. The communal sharing of a well-earned feast begins. Curry and rice mixed, roti broken. Eager anticipation for the first delicious taste of home. Enjoy, little one. Communal bonding, shared triumph. Joyful chatter fills the air.
Bellies full, hearts content. A quiet triumph over adversity. Communal harmony reigns supreme.
Another day, another challenge met. We are